Hey, so for my last video, I talk about operators and what operators be. If you never watched that one, if you check my playlist and watch that video. But for this video, what we're going to talk about today now, string. We're going to learn what is string be. We're going to learn what is string literal be. We're going to learn we're going to perform some common operations on string. And we're going to wait in template literal be. So we could begin. For this place, I don't already get my HTML tag page here. And I just basic, and I get my script tag here too. Then now inside this script tag, we will take the perform all the operations where they do the code we will write. And for my right hand side here, I don't already open this file with the left hand side for my browser, so that if they see what they do. For example, if you do hi, if I refresh on, I get hi. So now what that one they do with that. So like I say, we'll go talk about string. Now, what is string? String na representation of all the data with the in text format. So any data with the for text format for JavaScript or for programming generally, we they use those, we they represent those data in string. All right, waiting that one be. I mean, say if I get this double single quote, I feel write IB string. I feel talk say IB string too. Even if it put some Chinese character for here, a string too. So all this now valid string, and this too now what they call string literal. We just define them, we just write them. So that string literal it is. So this part. Now how if you take, create, like define string. We fit, for example, get their variables. If you save them inside the variable, so we get variable called city, and we'll just put this single quote, and we'll put Accra. This one a string. Why be string? Again, one method where they call type of for JavaScript. If I put say make it tell us it's in a string. It's not string but it is. Now I don't see how that they take create string and we fit, print them out and see which we store for inside. So we'll go back to Accra and you fit check them. Now also we get global string object where they for JavaScript library or language. We fit create string. If we use that global string object, convert something to string. What do I mean? Say Moku talk say number string, and I put this one here, then I get variable will be number and I put 5. Now, see what I mean. If I put this 5 here, if I say type of, the method we used before, if I put type of and I refresh, type of num, oh, I make mistake here. So if I refresh, you can send a number. Okay, now see. For here, if we convert this number with that global string object, put the number there. Now, if I now copy this one, put the type of here, it will give us string. Within the inside, we could see I come a type of, you will see 5, but this 5 no be number. This 5 now string. So now within this global string object, they do be that. So we don't see how to define string. We don't see how to use global string object. This capital letter, take note of this capital letter. They show say okay, they refer to the global string object. So we don't see how you fit convert something to string. Now the next thing we'll need to we'll go do now again. We come out this one. Then we see how you fit. Sometimes they will be say our string go long. How we fit take handle on. Now handling long string. Say more talk say we get, for example, we get var, you know, say var name, or might become like, okay, name, or my term say first name, we just say first name now, Ayo. Then we go on that variable called last name. Want to say last name now, James. I don't know, James. All right. Now we get this two string here. Now we won't do it in. We won't add them together. So we won't use them to create full name. To do that, all we need to do now, put first name and last name. We use this plus operator. Then if we put them here, we will get Ayo James. You see, put them together because we don't put space here. If we put space here, you understand? If we just put space here to make them, you know, Ayo James, or we fit come on that space. Then here, when we add them, if we put the space here, this one will also be the same as we need to open them here. Yeah, put one space, then you see Ayo James then. So now this one now, what do they call string concatenation? We add them together, and if it do something like this again, this one on one form, we fit say full name now. Same with the more say we create full name incrementally. We can put full name is equals to this. If you put this full name inside here, the only thing where you could get now Ayo. And now see another thing if you do. If you now say full name, yeah, if you put full name, can put this one, this operator, then put James, and just put that operator, put space here, then add on to this one. If you refresh, sorry, if you put last name here, we'll put the space here. So if you refresh, full name is equals to full name, then first name is this. If you refresh, which mistake we do for here? You put first name is Ayo, what we see, then last name, and we can carry full name. We'll see what we do wrong. Okay. Okay. So what we do wrong here? L. So we'll not get this one well. So if you put this one here and save and refresh, we get IO. Why be IO? Because we put this one here. So if we put it like this, we get IO James. Yeah.